This cube is gonna last an eternity. That's how much lube I've put in it. Hi guys, what's up? This is Ricky Robber, and finally I'm going to be setting up the cube that I'm going to be sending out in my giveaway, and that is this brand new Waylong WRM. Now you can see the plastic on it is still intact. I haven't touched it yet, and unfortunately I haven't had much practice on setting up my own one because I had been waiting for this cube. And just to keep a reference throughout this video, I'm going to be keeping my Celeritas worm so that I don't mess up, while I have a certain reference and I have the perfect way, to basically a template to see how I have to set up my cube and how it should feel at the very end. Okay, so before I even open the cube, this is something I should have realized before I actually bought this cube, because I actually haven't tried the 2020 edition and I thought it would be the same. But even from the color scheme and just the very looks of the cube, the Worm 2020 is completely different. I haven't even opened up the plastic and I can already tell it's quite different. You can see that the gaps are a little different, not as much, but a little different. And the color shade on the green, maybe the red is a little lighter, blue is almost the same, orange is quite darker, you can tell. So there are a few changes I feel, and it looks like it has a sort of matte finish, like one of those Shengsho bundle cubes. I haven't tried, but I've seen those cubes, so I think that's a good reference point for those. Okay, I was forced to pack that cube up. The cube's internals were completely gone. One of those springs were broken, and that cube will no longer be a part of this video. So we're going to focus on the main cube of this video, which is the Worm 2020. Now let's go ahead and open this up. I really don't want to touch this cube with all the dirty hands that my cube has left me with. But okay, the plastic on this, as I said, felt like it had a matte finish, and it does. Let me just get the logo on the right side. Honestly, it has a very defined matte finish, and the lube on my hands is really messing that up. Let me just wipe my hands a little. Okay, so it has a matte finish, as I said. It is a little more grippy. Let me see how it feels. Okay, so the Celeritas that I have in my hand has a lot of lube in it, so this feels a little different. The basic feel of the two cubes feels different. This feels more grippy because it has lube, and it sort of gives you a grip. If you had I think SCS came out with something called as Grippy or something, one of those things that you use for your own hands, and one of those cubers actually made a video of lubing a cube with it, which was kind of weird. But anyway, the feel of this cube is something I don't think I can replicate, because the basic outer finish is quite different. So the reference point is basically out of the picture now. And since I have a Worm 2020 which is not at all similar to the Worm 2019, maybe in the internals, but the externals are very different, and I've already messed the cube up. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try and clean it up at the end. So I think I should get the Celeritas out of the way, and maybe my Waylong WR is going to be thrown away, the one that I can't include in this video anymore. We blindly open up the cube. Let's see how it feels, so that we can at least have a sort of process in our head as to how we want to set it up. It feels, I don't want to use this word, especially since I'm going to be sending this cube, but it feels cheap. I'm sorry to whoever feels offended, anybody and everybody who feels offended, but the Worm 2020 feels cheap. This is not a review for the Worm 2020, but if I am being honest, it feels cheap. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Little Magic. The outer feel of the cube, the internal noises that it's making, it feels exactly and it sounds exactly like the Little Magic. And that is not something I expected I would be saying in this video. The cube is very tight offhand, so hopefully it's not that difficult to set up. so we've got some lube in there. We've put Traxxas 50k in the core and Traxxas 10k on the tracks. So let's go ahead and spread the lube out and see how much we'll have to add element X and element Y to make this cube feel amazing. Okay, so the very plasticky feel that I was talking about in the beginning is starting to go. It's not exactly gone as of yet. Okay, let's just spread out the lube really nicely. The contact with the skin because of the matte finish is still not very good, but I think we can work on that. Okay, so I think that's pretty spread out. The cube feels pretty fast, actually quite slower than before, but it still feels quite good. I think whoever gets this is gonna love it. Now the next thing that I would want to do is put some element Y to make it a little slower at first, because Y is very good at doing that, and that will basically make the 2020 much better, the Worm 2020 much better. I think we don't need to change the tensions anymore, so we can put the screws back on. I'm pretty good at tensioning, to be honest. My tensions, like, I always get them spot on the very first time somehow. Almost always, not every time, but almost always. So let's go ahead and put in like 3 drops. I think that's good enough. And be careful, the element Y is very thick. If you just randomly put 5-6 drops, it's gonna make your cube very difficult to work with. So this is gonna be the first time I'm actually messing up with cubicle lubes with CubeNama lubes. So let's hope this goes good. Cube is pretty slow right now. It is still not at my liking, but this is a basic to how to set up a cube. You need to make it slow and then you make it fast, so that you have the perfect balance there. At least that's how I feel. That's how I set up my cubes, and that works with big cubes too. I make them super slow. Like the cube that I borrowed from James because I broke mine, I made it super slow at first, and then I added a lot of external stuff from, I think, Element X and a few other loops from other companies, like of course Cubicle and SCS. So let's go ahead and put some Neo X, and I'm gonna put drop by drop. So I'm gonna put 2 drops first, and then if we have to add, we'll add 1 drop by drop. Just gonna keep it on the side here. Okay, there's some on my hand. Let's spread it out. Okay, this is starting to feel like a cosmic cube, and I'm really happy that it is, because that's a very difficult feel to achieve. I've been doing this the whole time, use syringes and all, and my wrists are starting to hurt just behind 1 cube. Imagine having to do 340 cubes a day. Imagine how Cubicle does it, you know? Like, they must have like real. If you've seen Philu's one of Philu's videos where he shows off this muscle, this is like super huge. It is, mine is still very small. It was like this big, and he's been cubing for a long time. I am like a noob in front of him. I'm basically a noob in front of everyone. I'm just good at big cubes, and even Eman is gonna take on me in that. Guys, Eman is going to win if I and he go head to head in 7x7 anytime, because he has good look ahead, he has good DPS, and he has practiced more. He's much better than me. Okay, 2 drops didn't cut it. I'm gonna go by estimation. I'm gonna go by what my head says, but since this is, I normally go by what my head says, but since this is not my cube, I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 by 1. Okay, that feels quite a lot better. This cube is gonna last an eternity. That's how much lube I put in it. Okay, since I put the internal lube over here, the track lube over here, the white side feels a little on the faster side. So whoever gets it is not color neutral, pretty sure it's gonna be super easy for them and super beautiful for them whenever they do white cross. Let's put 1 more. This does not feel where I want it to feel. I think I can go 1 or 2 more after this, but that will be the max. Yeah, we need a little. I think 1 more drop will be more than enough. Yeah, it's starting to break in. It's starting to feel super good. One more drop and that's about it. Oh, 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 oh. I almost put the second drop. Saved it at the last moment. So this is done. We're gonna put it in the back and let's spread it out. Oh wow. You have no idea how beautiful this feels right now. Whoever gets this cube, seriously, you're super lucky, man. Don't waste this cube. Okay, I think this cube is beautifully done. And whoever's gonna get it, bro or sis or whatever you want me to call you, I swear you're gonna love it.